Now in the second example, we are going to sketch the graph of y equals to 1 over 1 plus x. It is similar to the previous example. The only difference is that denominator is 1 plus x. Now we notice when we plug in x equals to minus 1, y becomes 1 over 1 minus 1, which is 1 over 0, and that is infinity. That means as x approaches minus 1 from the right side, y approaches infinity. So we have to make a dotted line here, the vertical dotted line, to represent the vertical asymptote. Now as x approaches minus 1 from the right side, y values are infinity. Now another thing is the y-intercept. When we plug in x equals to 0, we get y equals to 1, which is the y-intercept. And as x approaches infinity, y approaches 0. So this is the upper side of the graph, coming from the infinity, crossing y-axis at 0, 1, and then approaching 0 as x gets infinity. Now on the other side, the asymptotes are still the same. X-axis is the horizontal asymptote and x equals to minus 1 is the vertical asymptote. If x reaches minus infinity, y approaches 0, and if x approaches minus 1 from the left side, y reaches minus infinity. So the curve goes like this. And for all the values of x less than minus 1, y values are negative. Similarly, for all the values of x greater than minus 1, y values are all positive. This is the graph of 1 over 1 plus x.